Hi, my name is Kerchner, and this is my final presentation project, and I'm in Web 102. Let me just, before we begin, just want to prove that my link works. I'm going to copy and paste my link into the search bar, and then we will begin. Okay, here's my portfolio project for my class. This is my intro page, and I decided to use Wix, which is a pro. I decided to use Wix because I was familiar with the site. I created a simple page like this before, and I found a template that I liked that worked well for this project. And one of my pros was it was simple enough to understand, which is why I chose the color combination that you see here. Pretty simple. The sides here are a lighter color than the inside, the center part. And some of the cons I had were that I had to move a lot of the, I'll show you, hold on. Like on my resume page, a lot of these boxes I had to move and space out properly and in that aspect. Really, that was the only con I had. Let me start with my introduction page. So my introduction page just shows, this is my header here. I have my pages here. This is my social media links, just in my header, so it's on every page. So an employer can click on my LinkedIn page and it pulls up my LinkedIn profile. We can connect and then we can talk through there. This shows my name, Kerchner, my contact information. This is my personal address, my mobile phone number, which I probably will remove the site after I'm done the project and we have a grade. And then I do have a back to intro page on every single page. So that was part of the project. This is my resume page. I used the College Central link to create some of this, but I pretty much took each section of my resume and boxed it, as you see here. So here's a box. This is my objective statement here. This is my education. I want the IUP and HAC, and then pretty much every section is boxed out where it's easy to read and there's dates and all that good stuff on there. These are my activities here. I was in SAA, Phi Sigma Pi, Phi Gamma Nu, all at IUP. Shows my skills here, and yet again my intro page does work. And I chose to do it this way just because when I look, I want it to be visually appealing on the content, not on like the design of the web page. So I did just enough fancy work, I guess you would say, to make it look visually appealing and it meets the eye. And so that's pretty much why I chose this. This is my PDF version of my wet resume. Let me click on that to show you it works. Here's my resume I created actually I created this early in my college career for a SAA Student Accounting Association Career Day at IUP. So that's where this is from. And I adapted it based on job offers and that kind of stuff. Next is my mission page, and before I continue, here's my first picture. Here's my second picture. Pretty, yeah. This is my mission statement. I have a simple quote here just to fill up the space on this area here. And my mission statement just shows my ideals and values that I hold true to myself. I have a standard of improving almost every day. If I can get a little bit better, I'm a constant learner. Yet again, the style is the same on the web page. Next is the contact me page. As you can see, again, I put my social media again here, but even though it is here, it's in a different order this time. I just have writing here just to show that you click on the links, they will take you to my social media page. Then here's my contact, my email, phone number again. I chose this over like some of the other templates that this Wix site had, just because it was easy. I mean, you click on the contact me page, and then you type in the person's name, their email, and then you type whatever message, and when you hit send, it goes to my email, and I get their message through the site. They don't even have to copy and paste their email into a two box like on an email. And then lastly, I have my project page, and this just shows my project page. I put each project as a clickable like box link, and then I have it linked again here in the home page. Anything in red is linkable. But you click on it, it opens my home page that we created earlier in the semester. So here's and also the link works to go back to the portfolio. Goes back to my home page here, my introduction page, sorry. But I mentioned why I posted these and the reasoning behind it. None of them actually pertain to my accounting degree, but these are some of the papers that I believe shows my my writing ability, and because a lot of accounting is communicating effectively through words and communicating effectively through writing. So that's what I showed there. And overall, I enjoyed this project. I didn't think I'd have an interest in using code and HTML and creating web pages, that sort of thing. But I did enjoy it, and I plan on using this later down on the road. So yeah, I thank you for teaching me these skills, and I plan to use them later in life. Thank you.